dodging these bolts like a champ. Oh yeah. So satisfying. I just love the sound of... Oh, he's still alive, eh? No. Shotgun. Okay. Oh, let's see how many health I need. No, okay. Jump over this because they'll gimp you.
Welcome to Rusty Pete's Pirate Tour. Please keep your hooks and pegs inside the barge at all times. To your left, we have the famous Black Star Memorial Radio Tower. Constructed from materials pillaged and borrowed from the hurt shoe, this tower boasts a fully functioning radio show. To your right, we have Mount McGovern, named after our former leader, Captain Julius McGovern of the Andromeda system. This concludes our tour of Aldolis. Please walk the plank and have a wonderful day.
You mean walk this way or walk this way? Okay, well, let's walk over here. I do really kind of like that tour whole thing.
Alright, Chief. What can we do you for?
Oh, let's get our...
Keep the safety on, Chief.
Wow, okay. And, you know, we can always save that for later. Well, as soon as we got the whole arena here.
But don't worry, we'll be sending you home with a nice...
Alright, got a boss here.
box.
You know what I say about bosses? Unleash hell! Ah, that one explodes. Sure, let's use bombs. Didn't do a thing, okay. I got those up to level 5. I have an idea. Make him dance! Favorite song ever. Yes, with the tornado, you have to control it with the controller. Oh, and I'm holding the controller left. Oh gosh. Oh, what do you mean the? Yeah, wow, the tornado actually killed him. I gotta go plug in my controller. Grr. Wow, why is the cord for the PS3 controller so short? Anyway. And it's like nothing ever happened. And if you notice, if you, let's see how, actually, a good look here. Gold bolt. Whoa! Ratchet just flew. What'd you do, Ratchet? I want to see what you did there. You guys saw that? Whoa! That is a super jump. Heyo! Wow, that is amazing stealth there, Ratchet.
You again? Take a hint, mate. Pirates only.
Oh, are you the same guy? Jeez, I'm just asking to go to the bathroom. But no, apparently you can't let us go to our precious bathroom, so... Go tumble. Oh, so that's what the thing looks like. Okay. 35 out of 37 health. New! Looks like the ship's out here.
I'm telling you, all it needs is a couple of new batteries.
Oh, well, what do you know about Lombax technology? My mother was half Lombax. Yeah, well, we used to make these gizmos out of paper mache.
I happen to be a renowned expert in Lombax history, and this doohickey is a zombie death beam emitter that'll wipe out all life in the galaxy.
Then why are you trying to put batteries in it, you darn fool?
Guys, just give me 2 seconds to think.
Having trouble?
Okay, genius, you figure it out.
No! It's the zombie death beam!
It appears to be a map.
Wait a second. It's Riken 5! That must be where the secret is hidden. I'll send the coordinates to your ship. Meet us there as soon as you can.
You know, not all lava pants are alike.
For Riken 5.
Before you leave, however, there's a neat little hidden thing way over here. Oh, went straight to the teleporter, didn't you? Actually, no, wait, there wasn't. Sorry, I lied. This was completely pointless. Yeah, you're gonna have to view the area, though. Let's go commit suicide! Oh, they put a guardrail here. So sad. Actually, let's go see the shopkeeper for a minute.
Alright, Chief.
Oh, yeah, we got plenty.
What do you for? Done and done.
This upgrade adds tiny parasitic nanoclusters into the shards of the weapon. After embedding themselves in a target, the nanoclusters will trigger an explosive reaction that further damages their foe. Awesomeness. Now we got one thing left to upgrade, and that's about it. Now, no, this is not all the weapons you'll get. This is just, you know, all the ones we can get right now, actually. Oh, wow, okay, yeah, here's all the weapons. I don't know. I mean, we can get them. Actually, no, we can't. Buzz plates. Yeah, Swarmers buzz plates. Yeah, Swarmers buzz plates. It's like shopping for a good pair of pants. No, I don't want the Predator missiles. Wait, Predator missiles? See, exactly. Call of Duty reference right here. Anyway. Buzz plates. Now, Swarmers. This is first on the list. Go. Wait.
Welcome to the
Ammo. Okay. Buzzways, they're entirely broken in this game. Anyway, you'll see why eventually. Let's go to Ratchet 5, because now we're in a completely new sector. Because apparently that has the sun in the middle, or so we're supposed to believe. Let's go blast off. Booyah! And we're gonna see another loading screen again. This is gonna take a while. Oh, never mind then. Already here. Yay! Programming working.
Clank,
oh
hop
god.
on that turret.
Alright.
mangy build rat. This be cabin slack.
Grrr, I got a turret.
And runner up in a Susie Sweet homemade butterscotch competition. Return our artifact or face the gallows.
They are scanning our cargo. You didn't steal from them, did you?
No, my Trinium. Oh, I got it. Oh gosh. Die, evil foe. Ow, whoa. We're good. Good. I don't know if it's up or down, up or down, up or down. I know there's a secret here. It was up. Okay. Anything? No? Okay. I believe there's a challenge here. I don't think it's in this level. There's a challenge where you can, you know... I mean, this guy only applies to missiles. Oh yeah. Oh, apparently you don't like actually shooting the guys, you know, that you're aiming at. Just to run the ships. I know there's a flawless challenge. I just don't really want to get it. Ooh, more Retranium. Ooh, more Retranium. And even more Retranium. Yay! Yeah, I got it. I didn't even know it was there. Come on, you can do better than that. Just hold on the trigger, people. Piece of me. Laser tall on you.
Return that treasure or face the gallows.
Fuck gallows.
Treasure, we will accept Grog as a substitute.
Grog is a substitute. More Trinium. Oh, my Trinium. Oh, my little secret. There we go. Oh, yeah. Come on. You can't handle the truth. Oh, apparently can. Come on. Yes. Yes. I know. Now we're supposed to do. Whatever. Yeah, you got a gold bolt. Okay. Now I can be as reckless as I want. Oh, by the way, shoot these things.
He's taking out our harvesters, Captain.
Why would you harvest lava? What would lava do good for you?
Harvester, Captain.
I don't know, I'm just thinking, like, think of a logical explanation. What would lava do to benefit them? I will say that this place looks really damn pretty. Look at all the lava flow, you know, circling around like it shouldn't. Wait. There we go. Oh yeah. I love blowing shit up. Alright.
Break off, me hearties. We're late for yoga class at Sir Castle Sam's meditation station. Fall back and let Iron Crutch Caruso take care of this rat.
AKA another guy I really hate.